There's storms all around me. Hear them? All the birds are flying. It's so cool to see them go when the storms come like this. The rain is going to cut loose any second. I hope it cools it off. The whole month of July, and now it's August 15th, has been horribly hot, humid here in Connecticut. Feel the rain. A beautiful black-eyed Susan, just starting to unfurl. Love, love, love this flower. Sedum. That's purple sedum in the back there. That. Look at that color. Is that you, Blue? I see you up there. Yeah, it's gonna pour. It's starting to pour on me right now. Oh, some lightning. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Gardens need it. August 15th, 2024, a day I remember well. Peace. Peace to all. Whoa, that was quite a flash. Thank you. Baby Blue. There's even butterflies flying around. See it? Nothing like a good summer thunderstorm. Come on, bring it on. I'm a storm freak. Thank you. The sky speaks. Storm chasing from my backyard. Too lazy to go anywhere else. Hey, little one. There's a baby jay in the tree. Oh, the rain feels good. Jays left. They got to go home too. All the birds are flying for cover. Except for this one little one is still up there. See them all flying by. Just filled that bathtub. Grackle in it. Ciao for now.